Hoi allemaal, welkom terug op mijn kanaal. Kanaal, ik denk ik. Welcome back to tutorial number 4 of this palette focus. I just got back from the gym. Not just, probably I'd say about 30 minutes ago. Had some breakfast, and we are getting back into this palette focus of the Gold Palette by Natasha Denona. So far, I have been loving the looks. 3 so far. But I think today I kind of want to do something in the bronze, gold era. I'm definitely thinking of oro and misschien teak or sandstone in the crease with some log as the liner and maybe some kava as the inner corner. I don't know. Somewhere around there because we have established that this is definitely a beautiful green, teal green type of palette. And that would be my nose hair that I just cut that is stuck to my face. Summer is still slowly coming. It's figuring out what it wants to do. And my bags have been acting up and my dark circles. But this is life. This is where we are. Let me go prep my eyes. I'm still going strong with this Pro Filter eyeshadow primer by Fenty Beauty. It's been lasting me quite a bit. So, without further ado, let me go get my eyes prepped and we'll get into it. Alright, so eyes are prepped with the Pro Filter eyeshadow primer by Fenty Beauty. Let's tone down this ring light a little bit. I really hope they look like twins. They look related, that's all that matters. So, first and foremost, I am going to go ahead and go in with the blush brush from Pat McGrath. And, no. Gonna go with the highlighter brush from, they're doing construction right across the street by the canal. Let us go into sandstone. Because Oraya, beautiful shade. But I think I kind of want a little bit, okay, sandstone is really, it's like that Dijon shade in here, but a little bit more non-Dijon. More brown, I would say. This will be kind of more of a transition shade for the... Is this Dijon? No, it's not. It's just one eyeshadow down from Dijon. So yeah, obviously this has just a smidge more kick and depth than Oraya. But I feel like this and doing Oraya right there would be a beautiful combination for this transition, but we won't go there today. It would be nice to do an all matte look with this actually. Perfect. This is such a gorgeous palette. So far, like I said, the teal is definitely the showstopper of this palette. But oro, I am quite excited to see what that will be. Going in with my Hanging On by a Prayer MAC brush. See like how it really, that and Dijon, that looks like a tanner version of Dijon. But yeah, I actually dig this. This is gorgeous. Alright, next, get a flat brush. It's going to oro, which is really that like a yellow gold. And, that is definitely a yellow gold. Look at that. Speaks to me. You know, this, and I think the astral shade from Divine Rose would look gorgeous on this, that's for sure. What is the astral shade? Like the very bronzy one. But this also reminds me of the gold from the quad. That was the quad collection from when the bronzes dropped. I forgot what that one was called. Oh, we're just going to tap it on with the finger to really place it in a little bit more. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Oh, this is also such a beautiful summer palette. Going back in with my fluffy brush just to do the crease. And dipping back into sandstone. I mean, if you're ever in need of an actual gold, a yellow gold from Natasha Denona, I think we found it, y'all, because this is peak. Now with Kava, we'll do Kava in the inner corner. Because I know Sparks would definitely go well with this one, but I want to see how Kava and Sparks really plays with all the other golds in this. Yellow gold, teal gold, gold gold, your mama gold, your oma gold, your daddy gold. For brow bone, we will do Kava to keep that in play with what is going on in the inner corner. Why is your mama gotta be gold? Ooh, I might use Kava as a highlighter today to keep that transition going. And this as a shadow topper. God, forget it. This is gorgeous. Oh, wow, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. And I just now realized I need to cut this tag that's still on this table. There we go. Priorities. So this is where we're at. The sandstone, oro, and kava. Very beautiful. And I just broke this. Did I break this? No, I didn't. It just did not come out. Oh, now it's out. Alright. But like I said, now we are going to go into log. Yeah, this really does remind me of a Pat McGrath palette for sure. I always do this to myself. And I'm always drawn to similar things, but I'm saying it's not similar, it's different, it won't be the same. Then here it is. The freaking the thing. So, I really am digging this. I think you could even use that as a bronzer. Okay, so the Oraya Oro, no, Sandstone and Teak, I feel like you could really use as a bronzer. I mean, you get 2.5 grams, right? 2.5 grams each, and let's say, obviously the Charlotte Tilbury one is pretty big. It's 16 grams powder. And I think typical bronzers, I think the one from Fenty is like 6 point something, 7 point something. So, I mean, if you're kind of on the go, not too shabby. So, Teak. Log. Wow, I can't get my shades right. There we go. Ooh, and she shows up. Log has entered the chat, y'all. Ooh. This is gorgeous. Even like a cool tone brown liner would be beautiful with this. Alright, there we go. So, obviously always build it up to the intensity you want. But I really want to showcase the oro and the kava. Let me go and do the other side and we will see where we are at before the full face. Alright, so this is where we are at. Ooh, this is very, I like this. So, I went ahead and just went and did the Lancome Idol mascara, Keeping the bottom very clean, keeping the drama on the top, obviously. But oro, sandstone, log, kava. That's all I got going on right now. I actually love how this could actually look very more on the bronzy side, like the brown type of golds, which is really nice. If you go back, she does break it down of what is what, the teal type of teal type of green. Wow, teal type of gold, gold, bronze gold is what she has in here, and a brown gold, I believe. Different types of textures, which is also really nice. But yeah, and I love how this log and even teal, they really build out on top of oro and stuff like that. But yes. And moving forward, I'm still going to continue with my Skin Glow in 3N. I do have 4N if and when I ever get to 10. So yeah, you guys will see the final look in a few moments. Ooh, yeah, it's coming in. So let me turn down the light. This is the final look. I actually, for a highlighter, it is Kava. That is gorgeous. Bronzer is still Charlotte Tilbury, but for blush, I went ahead and combined these two. Just the powders. Just to really give it a little some. Yes. Just to lift the face. And I went ahead and setting spray is Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. As usual, this really sets everything in place, which I like. Yeah. Christian Dior. Dior's, wow, my brows are like really on fleek today. I think the 6 is a little bit too dark. But for the most part, you get the hint. The drama of the brows. All the drama. But for the most part, it is gorge. Very gorge. 3N and the Skin Glow by Dior. That's what I was trying to say. Color corrector, Charlotte Tilbury's into medium. And then I went ahead and did the Flawless Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer in 6.5 and 8.5. 6.5 medium and 8.5 medium, both. Yeah, bronzer still Charlotte Tilbury and 310. The Airbrush Flawless Setting Powder into medium, also just kind of in certain areas. And I really love this look. For lips, I am truly just going to go ahead and keep it very simple and just gloss it up with Pat McGrath Opulence Gloss and Pale Fire Nectar, because I really want the emphasis just to be on the eyes. That is all. But tutorial number 4, I hope you guys are really digging this. Venusian Sunrise or Sunset Quad from Pat McGrath. This is what that reminds me of. But for the most part, it is sandstone, oro, kava, log. I mean, this is really doing something to me. She's femme. He's mask. He's all of it all. Or is it easy breezy beautiful cover girl? As usual, go to my Instagram page to see the final edits. This is tutorial number 4. Sorry, my pre-workout is like still coming in and out. But I'm gonna go and take pictures that I need to edit. I definitely think we have quite a few more tutorials coming from this, because I think I really want to do Aurora, this one, which is also very nice. Obviously this, like this in the corner, into transition from this to this, that as the wing. Oh, or even this into this, or even that into that, and this over that into that. Oh, like there's even this in like this cover into this, beautiful. This into auto, beautiful. Yeah, what is this one? Alchemist. Just all over the lid with a good wing, and maybe sparks or kava as the brow highlight. Yeah, done. But without further ado, I'm really digging this look. This is so gorgeous. I will see you guys next tutorial.